Sports.
All right, folks, we're back again with another auction marker. This video is just going to go over what parts are used and the condition of this marker so that you know what you're getting when you receive it. We have here, I call this a counter sniper gun, so I tried to keep the overall length short, but the suppressor does go to the tip of the barrel goes to the tip of the suppressor, so you've got a long internal barrel inside here. Suppressor, the barrel, the rail system, and I believe the mil-spec barrel nut handguard insert they're all used parts. The mil-spec barrel nut adapter is a new piece, and once again, this marker from in between my hands here, the entire marker is brand new. So everything that's on here, the accessories are what's used, the marker is new. The scope is used, but it's in pretty much immaculate condition. The crosshair and everything looks great. It's got the full adjustable from 3 to 9 X magnification. Used stock, used sights. The AFG is also used. The rail panels are new, but that's kind of negligible. Let's put some rounds down range and see how this thing works. There we have it. As always, if you guys want this one, or when you win this marker, if you do not want the remote line, buy your tank, buy your 13 CI or your 17 CI tank, and we will throw in the air in stock option for you. Thanks a lot.